Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my favorite nude lipsticks ideal for my skin tone, medium and medium tan skin tones. You guys know me, I prefer some nude shades that are a little bit deeper, that's just so that I can wear it without makeup as well. But yeah, most of these are like my lips but better kind of shades. Also, Amazon is having their wardrobe refresh sale that's going live from 30th of May to 4th of June. Get minimum of 50 to 80% off on top fashion brands. So anyways, swatching the lipsticks right now. If you are someone with very light skin tones, like fair to light or light to medium, these are the shades you should be trying out. First one is Faye Lip Whip in the shade Buns. Very muted pinkish nude shade. Definitely not for anyone of like medium or medium tan and deeper skin tones. This is for people of very light skin tone with not so much of like two-tone lips or pigmented lips. Similar to the previous shade but not as lilac looking is from Maybelline. This is more Sepia, which is also something that is very nice for people of lighter skin tone, and I love the formulation of this. Something again for people with lighter skin tone that is a little bit peachy looking is in the shade Lupin from Love Earth. And then another favorite of people of lighter skin tone I've noticed is Prosh High Tea. I, of course, don't like it on my skin tone as much, but I feel like it looks beautiful on people of lighter skin tones. And then a lip stain is Rom&Nd Nucademia, which is beautiful. For me, it's just barely visible. It's like I've put a clear gloss on my lip. And then from ETUDE House, we have Baked Pecen. Very muted, very beautiful. Sort of has a matte finish on the lips. Doesn't leave a very intense stain, but feels very lightweight, very comfortable on the lips. And then if you are medium tan skin tones, these are the shades you would really like. Starting off with something that is really affordable. First one is from Mars. This is in the shade Royalty, which is also a beautiful brown toned nude shade. The next shade is Mars Plush Velvet Lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar, and it's a very nice brown tone nude shade for my skin tone. It feels very like creamy matte on the lips. It's not the most long lasting, but I like the way it wears, and it's also very easy to reapply throughout the day. The next shade I'm going to be swatching is also from one of my favorite lipstick range. This is Swiss Beauty Pure Luster Lipstick in the shade Twisted Caramel. This is such a nice shade of brown. It's like a warm brown shade. I absolutely love the shine on this one. I'm usually not someone who likes such, high shine lipsticks, but it's not too glossy, and also it doesn't like emphasize the dry patches on my lips, doesn't sit on the lines of my lips differently. It doesn't exaggerate the lines of my lips. That's what I mean. And I just love the formulation of this one. I have tried out so many high-end brands with high shine formulation, but nothing comes close to this. It's priced at 349 rupees, and you can always get it on a discount for as low as 260 rupees. The next shade I have is from Faye Beauty. This is in the shade Wholesome. I absolutely love this shade. Just look at it. But I detest the formula of this. It's sort of like on the drier side. It's not pigmented enough. You have to apply a lot of pressure to get it to an even pigmentation, especially if you have pigmented lips. And also if you have very dry lips, it will exaggerate the dryness on your lips and sort of emphasize that a little bit more and age your lips. But if they could reformulate this, I mean, I know this is a reformulation, but I think they could do much better. Like take some pointers from Kiro. Their Lush Moist Matte Lipstick is absolutely stunning. So these shades in that formulation would be a match made in heaven, but the shade nonetheless is beautiful. They have amazing shades in this range. Another beautiful shade is Faye Lip Whip in the shade Ride. It is a beautiful brownish nude shade, and I love this because it looks so nice, very muted. It's not too warm, not too cool. It just looks absolutely stunning on so many different skin tones. And this is again something that I wear when I'm wearing like a very dark smoky eye, or when I just want my lips to look a little bit more muted. I love this. The formulation of this one can vary depending on the shades, but this shade in Ride has worked out so well for me so far. It's very comfortable and quite long wearing. This would certainly work for people of medium tan skin tones as well, and even if you have pigmented lips. The next one I have is from Maybelline. This is in the shade More Mocha, which is one of their newer launches. I absolutely love this range of Maybelline Ultimatte lipsticks. They are creamy matte lipsticks, very comfortable. Next one we have is Love Child by Masaba in the shade Luxe Latte. Of course, not a nude for my skin tone, but if you are of deeper skin tone and with pigmented lips, you'd absolutely love this shade on your skin tone. It's a warm brown shade and would work like a beautiful brown tone nude shade for your skin tone. I know I get comments like, this is not a nude for your skin tone. I can't believe you don't know the difference. The thing is, there are different undertones in nude shades. Gone are those days where people used to wear very pale nude shades because that washes you out. It's just a lot of work. Okay, so sometimes you can wear shades that are a little bit deeper nude just so that you don't have to do a lot of work with your makeup, and just to make it look a lot more nicer on you, make you look a little bit more alive and not wash you out. So you can try out different shades of nudes. I think a lot of people have moved on from those shades. I mean, if you haven't yet, I'm sorry. Another lip stain that looks like my lips but better is from Rom&Nd. This is in the shade Almond Rose, which is a very beautiful pinkish nude shade for my skin tone. I have the Mask Lip Drip Mist in the shade Cocoa Drip, which is also one of my favorite lip tint, which has like a brown undertone to it, and I love this shade on my skin tone. And then from Love Earth for medium tan and deeper skin tones, I have the shade called Coffee Rose, which is a beautiful brown toned nude shade with a little bit of red undertone to it. The next one is this quad from Kiro, which is the Apex Brown Quad. And if you have medium tan or deeper skin tone, you should definitely own this because the shades in this are so stunning. Like, I'm wearing this first shade on my lip right now. Such a nice brown shade, like a little bit of a cool brown nude shade on my lip. So in trend, and I love it. And then we have Toffee Truffle, which is great. I mean, it looks a lot deeper on my skin tone. The next one is called Brown Sugar, which looks again stunning on the lips. It's a very nice grayish, cool toned kind of a shade. Looks really good. And the last one is Cocoa Crush. I mean, this is ideally not a nude shade for any skin tone, but I just wanted to swatch it and show it to you guys. It just looks stunning. So anyways, I'm swatching all of it. Just wanted to swatch the last one too. I have is from Nude Sticks, which is in the shade Retro, which is my perfect pinky, deeper nude shade that I can wear without makeup. Doesn't wash me out. The formulation is nice, pigmented, and comfortable. That's pretty much everything I wanted to swatch. Let me know if you have more addition to this in the comments down below, and I will get that swatched for you guys as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and all of the links will be in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and let me know what other videos you'd like to watch, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.